We are hosting a DAWAT tomorrow, which is basically when we invite people over for dinner. We've got a couple of things on the menu, which I will show you guys. I'm going to start off with the pizzas.
Oh!
Pizzas are prepared. I'm going to wrap these in cling film, put them in the fridge, and then they're ready to just put in the oven tomorrow. Time to marinate the chicken. Chicken is done. All I have to do is wrap that in cling film as well, and then that can be popped in the oven tomorrow. I had actually planned to cut these potatoes up and then marinate it with the chicken, but I have changed my mind. And I'm going to cook these separately, but since they're not going to be marinated as well, I feel like they will go brown in the fridge. So I'm going to leave them in the water overnight, and then I will pop some salt and pepper and that on it tomorrow. This time I'm only going to add 3 teaspoons of tandoori masala. Last time I added tablespoons. The lamb chops are done. They're going to be marinated in the fridge overnight and I will sort them out tomorrow. There's not much to do today other than sort out the bulgur and make some salad and mint sauce. Most of the prep was done yesterday, so I've made my life a lot easier today. The guests are not arriving yet, so I'm gonna add the bulgur later. I'm gonna get started on the salad now. Some cucumber, red onions, tomatoes, lettuce. I'm also going to add some sweet corn and black olives. It's really simple. Just mix in some yogurt and a mint sauce, sprinkle in a bit of salt, and it's done. Everything is finally done. I'm going to give you a walkthrough of everything. Here we have our bulgur. This here is our lamb chops, some barbecue chicken nuggets. I left a few here on the side without barbecue sauce because one of the guests don't like that. And here we have our chicken legs and thighs, some potatoes, some pizza, salad, and mint sauce. And for dessert, we didn't make anything. We've got this ice cream, pistachio and vanilla. Also this dark chocolate mirror glazed cheesecake. We actually haven't tried any of these, but they seem very nice. This week, because I prepared quite a few things the day before, it was much easier.